Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tom & Gems. Today we're going to make this beautiful plumeria and a larimar necklace. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, let's get started. So first what we need is we need to straighten out our wire a little bit. Okay, then we're going to take our wire and we're going to wire wrap it to one of the sides. So what I do is I always go down about 1.5 inches, give it a bend, come in with my round nose pliers, go up, down, give it a flip, take it to the back. Now we need to open the door, put in our link, pinch it down. We're going to hold it with our chain nose pliers. And we can actually, the wire is so soft, we can just wrap it with our fingers 2 times. And then give it a snip. So that we have the first side done, now we're going to start loading up our shells. Kind of have them already out in bundles. So we do 7, and then we're going to come in with a silver spacer. We come in with our silver bead, spacer bead. Okay, now let me see what we have here. Then we do another 7. Bead, and then it looks like there's 4 pieces of larimar. These are chip larimar. Then we're going to add our plumeria. This is pretty. This is all sterling silver. So pretty. Just thread that on. To the other side, another 4, and it looks like another bead, and then 7 chips, another bead, and then the last 7. Okay, so now we have that done, and that's what that looks like. So pretty. Okay. It looks like I have another bead that I'm missing though. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I guess not. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to wire wrap. Yep, looks good. Come in with our chain nose pliers, right on top of the larimar, bend it back. Chain nose pliers, up, over, and down, rotate to the back. Open the door and put our chain link in. Pinch onto that with our chain nose pliers and wrap with our fingers. 1, 2. Oh, it looks like I can go 3 on this one. I'm going to do 3. Okay. And then we're going to come in with a pinch. Oh, so pretty. Okay. have to complete by pushing down these burrs. Okay, one side, and let's see if we can find this one, this side. Okay, alrighty. So this necklace is 17 inches. And it's good for a necklace for a choker, but some women like it a little bit longer. So I actually made this one an inch longer to make it 18 inches. So we're going to come in with our bent chain nose pliers. We're going to open it up, put on our clasp. So if you're right-handed, it's going to go on the left-hand side of the necklace. Bend it together, give it a squeeze. Open the next side up. Together, I always give it a squeeze. It work hardens the jump ring. And there you have it. That was so easy. Perfect, huh? What you can do too is you can bend it a little if you like, because the wire is very pliable. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you on the next one.